The given for number 3, we have a regular hexagonal pyramid has a base side of 12 meters and an apotemp of the hexagon is 10 meters. Okay, the height of the pyramid is 20 meters. Find its volume. Okay, based on the given pyramid is hexagonal pyramid. Therefore, this is the illustration. Then after that, let us put the exact measurement of the given problem. So first, we have the side is 12 meters. So this is the side. So 12 meters, and we have also the apotemp of the hexagon is 10 meters. And then to find the height of the pyramid, just connect the apex papunta sa center. That is the height. We have 20 meters. So after identifying the exact measurement of the given hexagonal pyramid, our next step is formula in finding the base area. So the formula, we have base area is equal to 3 times side times the apotemp. Then substitute the measurement. What is the measure of the side? 12 meters. And the measure of the apotemp? 10 meters. Then after that, simplify. 3 times 12, 36 times 10, 360. Then meter times meter, meter square. So therefore, this is the base area of the given hexagonal pyramid. Okay, after getting the base area, our next step is to find the volume of the given hexagonal pyramid. How to find the volume? Formula 1/3 times the base area times the height of the pyramid. Substitute 1/3 times what is the base? 360 meter square times what is the height? 20 meters. Then after that, dito tayo anak pwede mag-apply ng cancellation. Why? Kasi meron tayong fraction. Then add 1 lang dito para maging fraction din itong mga to. Ano po kaya ang pwede natin i-cancel? 360 and 3. Very good. 3 and 360 are both divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3, 1 na po siya. And then 360 divided by 3, very good, 120. Okay, may pwede pa po ba i-cancel? Kung wala na po, proceed to multiplication. Okay, eyes here. 1 times 120. 120. Okay, take note. Kapag yung mga given number ay may 0 sa dulo, huwag muna natin pansinin yung 0 na yan. Ang i-multiply lang natin yung mga more than 0 na number. So, 120 may 0. Si 20 may 0. Tanggalin muna natin yung 0, ha? So, 12 times 2. 24. Tsaka natin ibabalik. Ilan yung 0 na yan? Okay, kaya 2,400 ang sagot. And then, meter square times meter. Meter cube. So, therefore, this is the volume of the given pyramid.